Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a dual zone air fryer, but it is so much more. It does all of the things. So here it is. You get so many accessories. Let's take a close-up look at everything and learn a little more about it. Here's a close-up look, and stay tuned because I am going to show you how to use the controls and a deep dive into all of the accessories. I love this. I love that you have that dual zone design. So you're gonna have those two different cooking methods on each side, super flexible. So you can switch between that dual compartment or the full cavity mode. This is perfect for family meals and like big things like chicken, or if you're making a large batch of something. Love that it's easy to clean. You get the bake tray for the bottom, and it's so space saving because the doors open down, which is great. You don't need a lot of space. You have 1800 watts and 360-degree hot air circulation for fast cooking and even heat distribution. And when you open the door, it pauses. Everything is dishwasher safe, and it's so easy to maintain. So this comes with a cookbook and a manual, and I love this. This is the quick start guide. And you get this really nice silicone pot holder. Both of the doors open. Right now it is full open. And so you can use this as an oven, and you can use this to toast your bread. And even when you put this in, you can use this to make rotisserie meats. So you get that bar and these for the rotisserie meat. So you get 3 different items to use this. You get sort of this roasting pan. You get this basket type rack here, and you get your more typical rack. And this is when you're using this as a one big oven. This is the divider part that you put in, just like this. And this makes this dual zone. You get the racks again, but 2 small ones. You get the baskets again, but again, it's for 2 small ones. And then you get the 2 pans. What's really great is you can use these separately. I can use one side or the other, or I could use both at the same time. Okay, this is super easy to use. First, you're going to turn on the power, and then you are going to click 1 to select just the first compartment. Then you are going to pick air fry, broil, steak, fish, rotisserie, pizza, toast, or bake. So I'm going to choose air fry. That is selected. And then I am going to select button 2. And over here, I am going to select pizza. While this is cooking, you can see that it is shifting from the temperature to the time remaining. And if I want, I can turn on the light, and then I can see everything cooking. If I want to select temperatures and times, I'm going to turn it on again. I have my divider in already. I'm going to press 1. You can adjust the temperature here and then adjust the time. And then I'm going to select 2. Again, I'm going to adjust the time and the temperature, and then when I'm ready, I click start and my food is cooking. If I want to use this as just one oven doing the same thing, I am going to remove the divider, and then I'm going to press all. All will then give me the option to choose something preset, which again, then I just select that, and then I press start. I also have the option when I am doing the whole cooking, I can press all and then I can adjust the time and the temperature by choosing the manual button.